Hi everyone, Susan Moffat here with Century 21 in Studio Realty. I'm at my new listing in West Grey, Ontario on Concession 2. We have a fabulous 52-acre farm with a completely renovated raised bungalow, plenty of outbuildings for all your needs, and absolutely stunning views. You're not going to want to miss this. For more information on this fabulous farm listing, contact Susan Moffat with Century 21 in Studio Realty.